In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Qualtrics survey inactive. Now, the simplest way to do this is to open your survey. Then you want to go to distributions up top, so the third tab top left. And from here, you'll see there's going to be a button saying pause response collection. If you click on this, you can just basically select if you want to stop the people currently basically completing your survey, and you basically want to allow partial responses, or you could also allow them to finish, and then click on pause response collection. And when you do this, your survey is going to basically become inactive, and currently nobody's going to be able to finish it. Okay, so if I go to anonymous link over here, you'll see that of course it says it's paused, and I can't actually even copy it, and I'll also get a message if I try to open it via the link I used before. So that's how to do this. And if you want to resume it and you want to make it active again, you can come back here, click on resume response collection, and then it's going to go back into active mode. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.